slips through the pines, up into the cabin he climbs. Grease stains on his gloves. First tree, first cut, first shove. He's a lumberjack, a harvester, operator. Long hours of work, just he and his Neuson. Diesel in the air, grease on his hands, repairs in the mud. He always keeps the output high. Steep slopes, swampy forests, he and his Neuson just move through it all. Tough work, hard business, but he loves that life. Tough work, hard business, he's always set to strive. Loving the work, loving the woods, loving nature, right down to the bone. Hey, working in all seasons, he don't back down. Summer heat, burning winter snow around. If a chain goes loose, he gets it right. Wrench in the dark till the gears bite tight. Hot, cold, rainy weather, he and his Neuson moving through it all. Tough work, hard business, but he loves that life. Tough work, hard business, he's always set to strive. Loving the work, loving the woods, loving nature, right down to the bone. Now the guitar screams and the engine purrs. He and Neuson push it, making timber hit the floor. From the first fresh cut to the last red sky, he was born for this life and he won't ask why. Tough work, hard business, but he loves that life.